Monkey, it's E-Monk here, and today we are going over the Date Night Harley shoes. Now, I made two versions of these shoes, so we'll go over the first version first. Alright, all I did was paint where the sandal part is. These are some pumps that I got from Torrid, and as you can see, I used Tulip Soft Gold, and I painted the strap where the toes are and the gold a little bit on the sides. Now, this was before the movie came out, so I wasn't aware of exactly how the shoe looked at first. So I just went with what I had and what I saw, because there was hardly any pictures of her in this outfit in these shoes, so yeah. But you just do light strokes. It took me about, I want to say 2 to 3 layers to get it fully on there. This is velvety type of shoe, or suede. I think it's suede. It's either suede or velvet, one of the two. But of course it did take a couple layers to put it all on, and I put it all the way up the shoe. And in the new version it's completely different, but we'll go on about that on the other part of the video. So yeah, I just left the rest black. Oh my goodness. Sorry about that. And I'm gonna go ahead and let you know, you're gonna need fringe and chains. A lot of chains, a lot of fringe. I would suggest sticking with fringe, like right here. This is left over from the Harley dress, actually. And you also need a couple of gold strands, but you need contact cement to connect it on. Now, contact cement is the best thing in the world. I got it at Walmart, really cheap, and it was able to put on the fringe onto the shoe without me having to sew it or anything, and it stayed on there completely. It's still on there to this day. I still have these shoes. I'm actually thinking about selling them, but I don't know if anybody would want them. They're a size 10 in Torrid, in case y'all want them. I stopped wearing these shoes mostly because my ankles tend to swell real bad from where I had a lot of problems. So I can't exactly wear these shoes anymore, so that's why I'm thinking about selling them. But anyway, after you attach the fringe onto the back of the shoe, you're going to want to add the chains. And these are just some black chains that I had. I believe they're black. Yeah, it's just black. My husband picked them up at Walmart, and it's this long black chain, and you're just gonna cut the chains into short little pieces that don't go all the way down your shoe, just enough to where it goes with the fringe. It's to help make that effect that she has. And I also use contact cement as well onto the chain to connect it to the shoe. Now, one thing I do want to add is contact cement is very... You need to be in a ventilated area or wear a mask. Don't do like what I did. I should have been wearing a mask, but silly me didn't. And then the gold fringe that you had left over from the Harley fabric, go ahead and use it onto your shoes. And that's exactly what I did here. Yeah, ain't that cool? Because that's the way her shoes were in the reference pictures I had. And then I just added chains around the strap. You just need one chain, and that's it. That's it for this specific shoe. And these have the heel guards in the back because I wanted to protect it. These are actually a little too big on me, so I was trying to fix that little issue. But yeah, that's exactly how it works. And it's a nice little gold chain that you put on there. Again, Walmart has these, so really cheap. And these are the new shoes. They're little block heels. You're going to want to paint them entirely gold, all over. Like all over the place. Even the straps. Like, she technically has gold chains as the straps, but we're going to use them anyway. And hey, look, it's the black chains again. Of course. And then contact cement once again. You see a little pattern here? It's basically the same, except I had reference pictures this time. And we add the chains this time to the shoe. And I put it all the way out the top, but I kind of regret this a little bit because the chains ended up getting inside my shoe and hurt, so I'm going to make a protector or something. I will give you an update if I do in the future, but it took about 2 to 3 layers of this black chain on there. I just used it until they were all gone. And then this is what it looks like when all 3 layers are on the shoe of black chain. And this is the gold bling that I found, which was really, really nice. Made it really shiny and pretty. It's the Ofray trim, as you can see. I actually used this for another part of the dress, so pretty cheap stuff. Walmart once again. And then you just add the straps. And all I did, she had the regular straps. I just added a chain around my ankle, and that worked just fine. But this is the new shoe. So yeah, I will see y'all next time. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell, and happy cosplaying. Here.
later.
Okay.